One quantity as a percentage of another. Our learning intentions are we are learning to express one quantity as a percentage of another, and our success criteria is we will be able to express one quantity as a percentage of another using mental, written and calculator methods. Finding one quantity as a percentage of another. To write one quantity as a percentage of another, make sure the quantities are in the same units, write the first as a fraction of the second, and change the fraction to a percentage by multiplying by 100. So let's have a look at an example. Express $70 as a percentage of $100. So first we check that they are in the same units, and they are. They're both in dollars. Next we will write them as a fraction. So we will have 70 over 100, and when you simplify that, you will have 7 over 10. Now we will multiply it by 100. And remember that 100 as a fraction is 100 over 1. So we have 7 over 10 times 100 over 1. Now we can simplify the 10 and the 100 and make them, by dividing by 10, we will have 1 and 10. So we have 7 over 1 times 10 over 1. Multiply across the top and the bottom, and that equals 70%. Let's have a look at another example. Express 20 cents as a percentage of $1. So first we check that they are in the same units, and this time they're not. One is in cents and the other one is in dollars. So we change them to both be in cents. So now we have 20 cents as a percentage of 100 cents. Present them as a fraction, we have 20 over 100, and if we simplify that, we have 2 over 10. Next, we will multiply by 100. So we have 2 over 10 times 100 over 1, and we can simplify the 10 and the 100 to be 1 and 10. So now we have 2 over 1 times 10 over 1, which equals 20%. And we'll have a look at another example. Express 60 millimeters as a percentage of 8 centimeters. So first we check if we have the same units, and we don't. One is in millimeters and one is in centimeters. So first we have to change it so that we have 6 centimeters as a percentage of 8 centimeters, because 60 millimeters is 6 centimeters. From here we put it into a fraction and we have 6 over 8, which we can simplify to 3 over 4. Next we will multiply it by 100 to change it into a percentage. So we have 3 over 4 times 100 over 1. We can simplify the 4 and the 100 by dividing by 4, and we will have 3 over 1 times 25 over 1. If we multiply across the top and the bottom, we find that we have 75%. So now it's your turn to practice. So I want you to have a look at textbook exercise 1105 on page 341 and 342. If you have any problems with this work, please seek help from your teacher.